Hi guys, how are you? Let me know if you can hear me. We'll wait for some time and then we'll start. Let me see how is my WhatsApp. If anyone can hear me, just tell me yes, no, and then accordingly we'll start.
Become an expert in AWS.
Just let me know if you can see me. Okay, then accordingly we'll start with the today's topic. We'll wait for some time and then we'll start. Let me come close. Okay. Still, there is a lot of lag, looks like. Can can anyone hear me? Hi all. Okay, all about Oracle 12c user management. Okay, so thank you so much for joining, Mila. Upload a video about Oracle 12c user management. Yes, sure. In the last video itself, we started with the Oracle 12c management, and I have tried to explain you about how this Oracle 12c user management works about. And today I'll be discussing about few more things about Oracle Dataguard so that you'll understand. Hi Soil, thank you for joining. Thanks for responding, Judge. We'll wait for some time and then we'll start with the today's topic because I'm just waiting for people to join, and accordingly we'll start with the topics today's topic. So how things are going on, guys? Is it good? Are you able to? So how things are going on, guys? Is it good? Are you able to? And did you like my last video, which was related to this Oracle 12c? Is what? If you have not seen that video, please go to my channel, and there you can see the video related to the Oracle 12c. Okay. And if you want to support us, guys, you can support us by sending this super chat. Where you have the option to send the super chat also, and If you want to support us, you can get all the details related to the uh, donation. You can get it into the description section only. Okay, just wait for some time and then we'll start. Okay, do you have any question to ask me? Whoever is asking the having the questions, just let me know. Today we'll be discussing. I can see there is a message from Ganesh. Which topic we are going to discuss now? Today I'll be discussing about the Oracle Dataguard environment, which is really interesting, and most of the people are looking for this topic. So this is going to be a really interesting session. And whatever the questions which you have, you can ask to me, and definitely I'll be telling like why this data guard has been introduced by the Oracle. Everything we are going to discuss it today. Okay, so just hold on for some time and we are going to discuss it. Start streaming. Okay guys, can you please just like the video before I start with this Oracle 12c data card environment? Okay, I'll be really appreciate that. Do you have any question? Okay, the audio stream. Audio. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Okay. Okay, so thank you, and let's start now. So what is data guard? Okay, let me try to put it over here only. So most of the time, people are asking like what is data guard and why we need the data guard environment. That we are going to discuss by today only. Okay, so basically we know so what I'm going to do, I will just try to share my screen. Okay, so that you can understand it more clearly, and then Accordingly we'll start it. Okay, I will share my pen tab, then it will be more easy for you. Just let me know, okay, once you can see my screen. Can you see this wide screen, guys? Just let me know once, and then accordingly we'll start. Okay, I know you guys can see my white screen. Okay, and now I'm going to start with the topic which is really interesting for today, and the topic is Oracle Dataguard. Okay, so let me write down over here. So why we need Dataguard environment? Okay, we know that how it is important. Okay, how it is important that our Oracle should be always up and running. Okay, so it is, let me just give me some time so that I'll just set up all the stuffs and then we are going to stay. Okay, data guard. Okay, just let me know one more time if you can see my this white screen so that I can start from my side. Okay, I hope you can see this white screen. So basically, you know, like how the database works with the application. Okay, let me take one example that, let's say we have one database. Okay, let's say we have one database. So this is our server. Okay, and on this server we can have a database. Let's say this is your 12c database. Okay, and the server is our Windows server. Okay, it can be your Windows server or it can be your Linux server. Okay, now on this server, okay, so we have a different users are there, which is user 1, user 2, and they are trying to make the connection to this Oracle database. Okay, and this user is also trying to make the connection with the Oracle database, and this database is actually get connected with the application. Okay, it get connected with the application. So it can be your any application, it can be your any e-commerce website just like amazon.com. Okay, now what happened, being a user, what exactly actually we are going to connect with this Amazon application only. Okay, which is a e-commerce website through which you can purchase a lot of things whatever you want to purchase. Now exactly, let's say you are working in the night. Okay, let's say it's a 3 a.m. in the morning and you want to purchase something. What you will do, you will just log in yourself, on the amazon.com, and you will just search with the item which you want to look for. Now suddenly you are getting the message that the amazon.com is not available. Okay, and this is not a problem which you are only facing, this is a problem which is faced by the every person whoever using the Amazon on that time. So don't you think that there are two types of problems are there? One problem which is faced by the user. Okay, and the second problem is which is faced by the Amazon itself. What is that about? Now when I'm saying that thousands or lakhs of users, okay, maybe millions of users are, you know, directly connecting with the amazon.com, and they're trying to make the connection and they're trying to do some kind of shopping over there. So if the website is getting down continuously, okay, if the website is getting down continuously, next time there is a chances that you will never go to that website, and you will say that, hey man, this website is always getting down, there is no use of this website, right? So this kind of problems, this kind of issues you can face when you are saying that, okay, that is the problem with that website only, and you will try to search for the other alternatives. Okay, if your if your Amazon application is down, so what exactly is happening in the internally, there is a chances that wherever this Amazon is trying to store his data, so it will get store his data into the database only, right? So this is 12c database where all the products are stored in this 12c database. Let's say this database itself is down. Now when your database itself is down, your application will not store the data and it will not be able to take the new shopping only, take the new request for the shopping. It is not possible. Now how the Amazon is getting impacted? Let's say I want to purchase something around $100 of something, maybe anything related to the camera or something. Now the time, when I was saying like I want to purchase something on the amazon.com for $100 rupees, there are lots of people are there like this. Okay, everyone is trying to make to do some kind of purchase. So it is, if my database is down and if my application is down, definitely that is going to be a biggest impact on the Amazon itself, right? So what Amazon will think, I need one solution through which if my database goes down because of certain issue, okay, any issue, I want my database to be up and running all the time. So now you need to think about that, how you can do that things. Okay, this is how the people will think about, like they want their database to be work in 24 across 7. Okay, I don't want, the client will never listen. He will say that I am ready to pay you as much as you want, only the thing is my database should be always up and running 24 across 7 without any issue. Okay, so for that Oracle have introduced a different products are there. Okay, through which your database will be always up and running, and that is called high availability, and some people are also calling it as a HA. Okay, so what is this high availability talks about? In the high availability, your database and your applications will be always up and running because your database is up and running and which is storing your data, right? So that is called high availability. Okay, now do you have any question till now? Just let me know. Okay, so that I can work on it and I can explain about that. Okay, so what was the, so Oracle have given some of the things like through which your application will never go down. What are those things? The first one is your flashback technology. Okay, what is that flashback technology? So when you enable your flashback database, so exactly what happened, let's say you have one table and you suddenly drop the table. So it's a panic situation because that table was really important. So by using the flashback technology, okay, you can revert that table on the particular timestamp wherever you want to revert back to your database. Okay, you can do that thing with the help of flashback technology. So it was possible. Okay, now also it is possible. So that is the first thing that Oracle have given it to us. Second thing is our Oracle Dataguard. Okay, so what is this Oracle Dataguard about? This Oracle Dataguard technology is mainly helpful for you for the disaster recovery purpose. Okay, what is that about? Disaster recovery purpose. What does it mean? Let's say you have one server and on this server you have this database. Okay, so this is your Linux server, and on this Linux server you have your database which is 12c database, and to this 12c database you have your application. Okay, you have your application which is up and running. Now this database we called it as a primary database because all my users are getting, this is my user 1, user 2 are getting connected to this application only. Okay, this is my primary database. So if in case my primary database goes down, I should have some other database on other server where my database can connect, and I should get the same kind of data only. So what is there? We have a primary server and we have a standby server. Okay, we have a standby server and we have a standby database on it. So this database is completely a copy of this database. Okay, So let's say you have 1000 table in the primary database, then there will be 1000 table, and the content, everything is same to same from your primary to standby database. That is called block to block replication. Okay, both are same to same. So if my primary database goes down by any chance, I have my standby database. I have my standby database through which the people will be connected. Okay, so whatever the users are there, they will redirect to this database. Okay, that is called Oracle Dataguard environment. So in Oracle Dataguard environment, we can have a primary database and we can have a standby database. So if my primary database goes down by any chance, so let me tell you what is that about. So I'm saying that this primary database data guard is mainly about the disaster recovery. So what is that disaster about? Let's say earthquake, let's say a flood, or let's say anything which is unusual activity through which it is impacting to your server. Okay, so when something is impacting on your Oracle database server, it is directly impacting on your database also. Okay, it is not only because if your server goes down, your database will also goes down, right? So if I want to take one example, let's say we have our primary server on the India. Okay, let's say my primary server is in India. Okay, so do you think that my standby server will be also available in India only? No, I will not keep my standby server in India. I will maybe keep that standby server in New York. Why? Because if there is an issue with the, if there is something which is not abnormal is happening in the Indian location, maybe earthquake or something which is a disaster, so this site is completely down, right? This site is completely down. Now if I'm keeping my backup database, or which is my standby database, so my primary is also here and standby is also there, so both the server will goes down, right? And both the database will not work. So because of that only, there should be always a distance, okay, in between your primary and in between your standby. So this is how you configure your Oracle Dataguard environment. So what is a Dataguard environment? It is just a replica, or you can call it as a copy, block to block copy of your primary database. Okay, this is all about the Dataguard environment. If you have any questions, let me know till now, so that we can discuss about it. I know I'm pretty much I think most of the people have understood it. If you are not understanding it, just repeat this video one more time, so that you will understand it more clearly. Few more updates which I want to tell you guys, that today we have completed our 5000 plus subscriber. We have done that. I'm really sorry for my handwriting, but now no one can do that. We have completed our 5000 plus subscriber today. Okay, and again the best part is that again I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch, and if you want to connect with me, this is my mobile number. Okay, and I'm going and my email ID is like this. Okay, Ankush, ANKUSHTHAVALI@gmail.com. And if you are looking for real-time database training, especially on the core DBA and the data guard, you can connect with me. Okay, all my details are there in front of you only. Any question till now? If you have anything related to the data guard environment, let me know. Otherwise, I think we can stop over here, and I'll be discussing about few more things related to the data guard environment in the future video. Okay, so try to understand about this data guard environment. If you are experienced person, so definitely the people will expect from you that you should have the knowledge about the data guard environment. Okay, so better you have the knowledge and you can work on it. Anything, let me know guys, so that we can discuss about it. Okay, and one more thing which I want to tell you here, that uh, now I have started creating new videos based upon the Oracle, okay, as well as Hadoop technology on my Instagram. Okay, on my Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram. And here I'm just creating daily video. Okay, you will find the videos related to the interview. Okay, all the video related to the interview, then Oracle, then Hadoop, Spark. Okay, and lot of things I'm going to cover in the future also. My Instagram ID is Ankush Thodi, like this. Okay, you can follow me on my Instagram, so you'll get a lot of new things about the Oracle DBA. Okay, and Venkatesh is saying congratulations sir for this achievement step. Thank you so much Venkatesh, and this is all possible because of your support only. Recently we have completed 5,000 plus subscriber, and very soon, maybe by by end of this year we'll try to complete our 10,000 subscriber also. This is a very huge family of Oracle DBA, and I can see a lot of responses from the different people, and most of them are fresher, those who want to start their career as a Oracle DBA. My understanding is always to give them a good way, because when I was a fresher on that time, there were very few people, and I was not able to catch up with the right person. We faced a lot of issue when I was a kind of fresher, and because of that only I started this YouTube channel, so that whoever want to start their career with any technical industry, any IT industry, with anything really, not only related to the Oracle DBA, so I'm there to help you out. Okay, most of the things are free of cost, which is completely free of cost on the YouTube channel. You can just look for that. And if you are looking for real-time training, then also I can definitely help you out. So by in future, definitely we'll try to create more and more things. Okay, bye bye, see you again with the next video. Bye bye guys. Okay, bye.